Omya answers oral care trends in the market, like seeking natural ingredients by offering natural calcium carbonates. These natural calcium carbonates, they are manufactured with low carbon footprint. At the same time, we offer grades that are Cosmos and Natural approved. Natural minerals in oral care are used as cleaning particles. They are abrasives that basically remove plaque from teeth. Omya natural minerals are sourced from marble and from limestone, so we have different origins, therefore different color possibilities for the toothpaste, and also we can play with the particle size to achieve different abrasion levels and therefore different cleaning performance, always remaining safe. Besides the cleaning particles, Omya offers innovative porous minerals that target remineralization. These porous particles, they are composed mostly of hydroxyapatite, and they have readily available calcium and phosphate ions for remineralization. The calcium and phosphate ions will deposit on the surface of the tooth, making the surface of the tooth harder, as well as smoother, and then gradually whiter. As well, they have smaller particles that are targeting sensitive teeth and can reduce the sensitivity of the denten. Besides cleaning particles for remineralization, and for desensitization, Omya offers Cosmospheres. Cosmospheres are cellulosic beads, colorful, that can offer a sensorial experience in your oral care product. In our technical services labs, we work together with customers in order to develop innovative products that can be launched into the market, answering sustainability and natural trends.